Aloha and welcome to this Pilates booty lift workout. All right, so let's grab a mat. We're going to start down on the ground on our back, legs hip width apart and our arms to our side. All right, let's begin by taking a deep diaphragmatic breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. We're going to go into a hip roll, scoop and tuck, stretch your hips to the sky, and then into our bridges, tap and lift. Inhale down, exhale up. Again, 8 is our magic number today, so 8 reps of bridges, pushing firmly down into the ground, and then we're going to hold it up for 8 pulses at the top, adding that deeper scoop and tilt to fire up the glutes. And now going into our shoulder bridge, right leg up, inhale down, exhale, tap the hips and lift. So nice straight leg down and up, and then adding that hip tap down and up. Inhale down, exhale up, inhale tap, exhale up. Let's continue to flow the rhythm with your breath. Shh, 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 shh. Keep that energy of reaching your toes up to the sky, extending through the back of your knee, and then we're going to hold it up for pulses. Again, just really continue to press into that left big toe and outer heel, lower down. We're going to keep those hips up and switch to the other side, left leg up and down, then tap the hips and bring it back up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Shh, 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 shh. Use the power of your breath to help you to continue to energize and to stretch into each rep. Now hold it up for your 8 pulses. Keeping the belly drawn in. I'm going to hold it at the top. Keep those hips up. Lift your heels. Inhale and exhale. Hip roll down 1 vertebra at a time. All right, now we're going to go into narrow bridge, bringing the feet and knees together and lifting up and down. Again, really add that extra little pause at the top where you scoop and tuck the tailbone into that pelvic tilt to give that extra lift. And now hold it up at the top with the heels up, adding little pulses. Keep your knees together. After 8, we're going to do little open and close. Continue to keep those hips up. Heels up, hold, inhale, and exhale, peel it down. Now let's open up our feet the width of the mat, nice and wide, toes turned open, knees turned open, lifting up and down 8 times. Adding that external rotation to get into those outer glutes now. Okay, now hold it up for your pulses. And then we're going to hold it, lift the heels, and press those knees open to continue to deepen into those outer glutes. And now adding the pulses at the top 1 more time for 8. And then give a nice squeeze at the top and release it down. And now go ahead and release, hug your knees into your chest, and we're going to roll it up. Now next we're going to go into our side plank with leg lifts and side kicks. So let's go ahead and get ourselves nice and stacked. Again, you can always prop yourself up on your forearm or just lie on your side as a modification. We're going to do these 8 leg lifts, really stretch your leg, and now little pulses. Again, point your foot, get all that length. Now moving into our side kick, bringing it forward, back with a little pulse up. Inhale forward, exhale back, lift it up. Flex forward, point back, and lift. Again, we're keeping all that stability through our spine, keeping our belly drawn in. And we're preventing our upper body from moving as best as we can as we continue to work within our edges. Again, this one's getting all of the angles of our glutes. That's all those deep core stabilizers. Let's hold it and release. Go ahead and stretch. And now let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Again, stack your wrists right underneath your shoulder, belly drawing in and lifting up and down, starting with our 8 leg lifts. Breathe in, breathe out to lift. Shh. That little pulses right at the top. Again, keep tucking your tailbone with that pelvic tilt, and then into our side kicks forward, back with that pulse up. Inhale, exhale, find your center, lift. Shh, shh. Just keep flowing with your breath. And And the great thing about all these Pilates moves is you're not just going to be working your glutes, but you're going to feel this also in your abdominals, in your arms. Your whole body is working as a whole in Pilates. Again, inhale forward, exhale back, pulse it up. We're going to hold it, stretch it, and release. Gate pose, hold it, inhale, and release. All right, our final move, going to finish off this 3D booty lift here in our forearm plank, going into our leg pulls. Again, we're just lifting up and down with our right leg, flexing our foot, keeping our spine stable as we scoop and tuck. And now left side for 8. Again, just keeping the toes straight down as we stretch away. Now we're going to finish off with arabesque. You're going to turn your toes and knee open now. Externally rotating as we lift up and down. This time point your foot. So we're getting those outer angles of the glutes. Once you did 8, we're going to switch it up. Try to keep your hips as level as you can. And now let's go ahead and finish off. Hold it, squeeze your belly, squeeze those glutes. Inhale. Exhale, again, squeeze, engage, and release. Let's sit back, child's pose. Stretch out those hips. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's go ahead and roll it all the way up, and you are all done. And please take some time to do some stretches that feel good. I also have lots of videos on my playlist for yoga and stretching, so please check those out. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to get more workouts. So have a wonderful rest of your day and keep shining.